I don't know if anything's ever brought me so much happiness before. Old drill. Well, it's a new drill, but it's an old drill. Drill I've had for a while. Just, right here. Got that thing. I'm here thinking, what would be fun to do with this thing? Because, I got a drill. So, I'm here thinking, you know what? Let's buy some of these. You want to know what this is? You're about to find out. I don't know if anything's ever brought me so much happiness before. Shannon, get out of bed!